H. Hello everyone, wish you happy in learning English. Today, let's review relative pronouns, who, whom, which, and that. Who refers to people. Which refers to specific animals or things. That refers to animals, things, or people as a class. The object form of who is whom. Which and that both have the same form. Whether subject or object. Example. The man who called you is here. The girl whom you saw is my sister, Julia. To whom did you give the key? Is this the book which you ordered? Do you know how to complete who, whom, which, or that in the sentences below? 1. Was as Gabby said that? 2. This is the report the president wanted. 3. The girls are in my class are all good students. 4. Our teacher is an American, speaks English perfectly. 5. The car Rosa Maria used belongs to her uncle. 6. The teacher with I studied mathematics last year died last week. 7. To did you sell your furniture? Corn. Do you know the answers below? Let's go. 1. Was as Gabby who said that? 2. This is the report that the president wanted. 3. The girls who are in my class are all good students. 4. Our teacher, who is an American, speaks English perfectly. 5. The car that Rosa Maria used belongs to her uncle. 6. The teacher with whom I studied mathematics last year died last week. 7. To whom did you sell your furniture? Happy and fun in English.